let Garmin get you started with your Approach G82 device. Your Approach G82 device will come with a radar stand and carabiner bag clip and a USB-C charging cable. Let's begin by going over the Approach G82 device hardware. The power button is located on the right side of the device and is indicated by a red button. This is used for powering the device on and off. This button can also be used for locking and unlocking the screen during a round. Below the power button is the radar button. Press this to use the built-in launch monitor and get metrics during your round. Underneath the weather cap is the USB-C port for charging and data transfer. Next, let's begin the initial setup of the device. Start by powering on your device. Now, select your language. Then, select your unit preference. Now, set your driver distance and select Save. Next, you can connect to the Garmin Golf app on your compatible smartphone or tablet. The Garmin Golf app gives you access to additional features such as automatic course updates, wind speed and direction, and live scoring. You can also subscribe to a Garmin Golf membership to get more features like aerial imagery and green contours. Select OK. Scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. For new customers, scanning this code will take you to download the Garmin Golf app. Once installed, open the app. Here you can create a new account. Select Create Account. Then agree to the EULA and select Next. Now enter your account credentials. Once signed in, select Profile, followed by My Devices. Select Add Device. Select Connect It once the Garmin Golf app finds your Approach G82. Your device will display a 6-digit pairing code. Ensure the codes match and select OK. Finally, select Finished. You can set a device passcode to secure your device. You can proceed or select Not Now. Once you complete the initial setup, the device will start searching for nearby courses. If necessary, go outside with a clear view of the sky to acquire a satellite signal. Next, let's go over the practice modes. The driving range feature allows you to get some practice swings in at the range and get metrics such as ball speed, club speed, smash factor, and tempo. Attach the magnetic stand and place your device on the ground as shown. Use a golf ball to help prop up the device. Then ensure the device is 12 inches in front of you. Now you are ready to get some practice swings in. To end a session, select the menu. Then select End Session. The bag mapping feature can be used at the range to evaluate your clubs and know how far you typically hit with each one. Keep your device in the same position that was used for the driving range feature. First, select your clubs to evaluate. Then select the check mark. Take 5 shots with each club to get data for the bag mapping feature. After completing your bag mapping, you can enable the Virtual Caddy feature in the settings to use this data for your club suggestions. The Virtual Caddy feature will use your shot data, along with the elevation, wind, and layout of the hole to determine which club you should use and where you should aim on your next shot. Now, let's go over the new Putting Training feature. This will help you improve putting consistency with putting metrics, including stroke length, tempo, and club and ball speed. Attach the magnetic stand and place your device on the ground as shown. Use a golf ball to help prop up the device. Then, ensure the device is 35 to 45 inches from where you are standing in the direction of the hole. As you putt, ensure you have 6 to 10 inches of clearance in front of or behind you. A red bar at the top of the screen indicates your radar is experiencing interference from things like movement or fans. A green bar indicates you are ready to get some practice putts in. Lastly, let's go over starting a round of golf. The device will search for nearby courses. If necessary, go outside with a clear view of the sky to acquire a satellite signal. Then select a course. After you select your course, you will be taken through the setup to start a round. Here, you will see options like playing 9 or 18 holes and selecting a tee. After the initial setup, you can choose your scoring method. You can choose between standard stroke play, Stableford, match play, skins game, and scramble. Select Add Player to keep score for additional players. Finally, select Start to begin your round. And that's it! To learn more about your Garmin golf products, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!